Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. So, Forex, how to pick a Forex trading strategy. I want to talk to you all about that. So, listen, when you're starting out, guys, now you're going to see, depending on where you're learning from, right? Obviously, if you're learning in a live setting or even if you're watching a video or something, obviously learning a strategy is going to require you're going to, maybe you can learn a strategy from reading a book or PDF or things like that, but to learn a specific strategy, guys, is going to take hands-on, you watching, seeing, and then mimicking and duplicating what you're seeing, okay? So when it comes to learning a Forex strategy, guys, here's the first thing I want to tell yourself. I'm going to tell you is to give yourself time to figure out the type of trader you are, okay? And once you figure out what type of trader you truly are, then it's going to help you that much more to metamorph into picking a strategy or creating a strategy that works best for you, right? So I say that because when you get started out, guys, you might be following different educators, different people that are successful in the Forex, in the trading space, and their strategy might be that of a scalping strategy, and you hop right onto that strategy, and it's like, boom, oh man, this is great, this is working, I'm having success with this. But then you might realize, like, okay, you're winning trades and things of that sort, but as time goes on, you might realize, I'm not really a scalper. I don't like being on the charts every 5 minutes or looking every 15 minutes, even 1 minute, trying to get in and take trades. And, for some people, that's just too stressful, that's too much pressure, and it doesn't fit either their personality or it doesn't fit their lifestyle. So you might come to find out you might be more of a swing trader, to where, yes, you like the short wins of getting in and catching the smaller setups, right, and pulling out pips. But you might realize, hey, listen, I like going in, I like trading, taking 2 to 3 trades for the week, and knowing that trade a week later is potentially going to win me 200, 300 plus pips. That may be you. But how do you get to that point? It's through time. So give yourself time to figure out what type of trader you are. Okay, that's one of the first things. And you'll know that from like I said, experience of, if you're comfortable, if trading feels forced to you, if you feel kind of like, let me take the setup, but it feels awkward, or you don't feel comfortable with it, then me personally, I wouldn't trade that way. And I was at a point like that. I started out with scalping. Me personally, I started out with scalping, and it was cool with it, but it was like, man, I'm always in the market, in and out of the market, taking these setups, boom, and taking pips, and that was cool. But I realized more so over time, after looking at different strategies and through different educators, I finally found out what worked best for me. And I'm more of what you call a kind of, I guess would be kind of like intraday, but it's called trend trading. I like trading the trend and catching my pips that way. So that's my primary way of trading. So that's the strategy that works for me. Now, here's the great thing is, I will tell you this, as you go along and learning your strategy, and if you're doing it in a live account, great. And if you're doing it in demo, please take advantage of other ways for you to catch pips. And it might be through utilizing copy and paste trades, or signals, as some people call them, using that to still earn while you're learning and figuring out your own strategy. Also, another thing that's going to help you determine what type of trader you are, you guys, is how do you like your charts to look? Do you like a chart that's pretty much naked, where you might only have something like support and resistance on there? Do you like a chart that has 7 to 8 indicators on there, or are you somewhere in between? And that's something you will be able to figure out for yourself. You'll be able to figure out how do you like your chart. So once you figure out how you like your charts as well, that's going to go into helping you decide what trading strategy works best for you. Okay? So those are like some of the main things. How do you like your charts to look? What are you comfortable with? And figuring out, you might be a Fibonacci person, or you might be a person who likes Fibos, forks, and scans, or maybe you are somebody who likes RSI, MACD, and you'll figure those things out. And then you might get to a point to where your trading grows to where you might start out with a basic trading strategy of using one specific indicator, and you might learn something from another educator or a Forex trader and take part of that and add it to where you're creating your own strategy. So at the end of the day, guys, I tell you to give yourself time. Don't rush it. Give yourself time to figure out what type of trader you are, figure out what are you comfortable with, and figure out how do you like your charts to look. Those are 3 main things that I would tell you to take in to learning the type of trader you are. Now, there are other things as well, but for me, I found those to be the most, some of the most significant things that helped me realize what type of trader I am and the way I like to trade. All right, so I hope you all got some value from that, guys. If you got value from this video, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, guys. If you want to see more of my videos, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of content on here. And guys, if you want to be notified anytime I drop fresh live new content, hit that bell button up above and you will be notified of that. So listen, with that being said, guys, if you are looking to learn how to find a strategy, if you're looking to learn how to trade, trying to figure out what type of trader you are, and looking for guidance on being able to take trades, being able to take advantage of simple ways to profit in the market, guys, if you want to learn more about the platform that I myself have learned from and continue to utilize, simply go to tradewithed.com, or you can click the link in the description box below and it'll take you right there to find more out about the platform that I'm utilizing. All right, so thank you for your time, guys. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you all later. Have a great day.